I'm excited to show you 13845 Heartwood Way right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida, in the beautiful community of Crosswind Ranch. This is a lovely, nearly new Homes by West Bay Verona model. A lot of people really love this popular floor plan because it does offer main level bedroom and suite and access to the outside. If you have maybe an adult living with you, you have an adult child, you have a parent that lives with you, or you want to have a really nice guest suite that's away from all of the other bedrooms upstairs, this home offers over 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a massive kitchen, and yes, honey, this house is upgraded with all of the great Homes by West Bay upgrades, the massive kitchen island. It is a beautiful home, kept beautifully. It has a great 40-foot by 20-foot lanai. You heard that right. It is perfect for people that want to be close to Tampa or St. Pete or Sarasota or Bradenton. That's why we love Parrish, Florida so much. So this is a really great aspect that I love about Crosswind Ranch. This is the Homes by West Bay section. And of course, all of these homes have tile roofs, paver driveways, and it just has this beautiful aesthetic when you drive into the community. They also did a really good job of keeping a lot of green space. So there's pocket parks, there's trails, of course there's an amenity center that I'm going to show you. But what I really want you to pay attention to is look at the space. See this space between the houses? You do not get that in most communities, especially here in Parrish or Lakewood Ranch or Sarasota. They're putting houses very close together today, but here you are going to get much more space between the neighbors. And this is a 0.22 acre, so almost an entire quarter-acre property. And it does back to preserve you so there's no houses behind you. And of course, you'll see that in the video. So let's get in and look at this Homes by West Bay resale home. It is priced perfectly if you compare it to the new construction Homes by West Bay. So if you want to see this house, I want you to reach out. I'd be happy to show it to you or make an appointment with your real estate professional to see it. Let's get in there and check out 13845 Heartwood Way right here in Parrish, Florida. And if you want to see more windy videos, please make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep you updated on all of the homes that are coming here in Parrish and Lakewood Ranch and Palmetto so that you're always up to date on what's going on with the real estate markets here and the prices and the communities and all that fun stuff. I'm Kathryn Newman. I'll see you next time.